Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. And I'm out here. This is the park that I used to fly my drones at all the time with the fellas. Got my son Idris out here with me.
Yep.
And we about to fly some planes, y'all.
Drone grease.
And we got this it's a Cutie 560, and this thing is a bush plane. It's a 4-channel. Just got this thing in from Temu, y'all, so I brought it out here to a big open space to try to fly it. My first time flying it out in a big open space, y'all. So I got this 6-channel transmitter here. My son got the 2-channel right there. He's about to have fun with it. So I'm about to try to, let's see what he's doing. Oh, you got to throw it up in the air, son. So we're going to get this thing up in the air. Try to fly it real quick. It comes with a 500 milliamp hour battery. I have a few batteries here, so I don't know what size I'm putting in there. I got a 500 milliamp actually. This is not the battery that came with it. I left it in the car by mistake, but I figure I might as well just try one of these batteries I had already. Wow. Turn it off. So let me get this thing up in the air. All right, y'all, I got this thing bound to the transmitter. Have to go up and down on the left stick, get it in the air. It does have 3D manual, gyro, auxiliary mode, and novice 6G mode. We're in the novice mode right now. I don't know if it's going to take off on the ground here. Let me see. We're going to test it. Nope, it's not going to take off from the ground. We're going to have to toss it. My son's up in the air to F-22. Turn it away from the trees. Turn it, son. Turn the other way. Yeah, try to stay in the middle. He's doing okay, y'all. Okay, let's try this bush plane here. We're in the gyro assisted mode. Check it out, y'all. So it's flying. This is the gyro assisted mode where you can't roll though, y'all. So I guess you could say I'm cheating. Sheesh, the sun killing me though, y'all. Oh, we almost had a mid-air collision. Let's try to flip this thing in the mid mode. Let's see. Okay, we're in the mid mode now. It's slightly gyro assisted, y'all. Oh, you can get down with this mode. I like this one. Oh, I'm so used to flying drones, y'all, that I cut throttle when I feel like I'm about to crash. I cut throttle right there. I'm liking the way it feels. I'm not sure if I can roll. Let me try. I'm not sure if I can roll it in this mode here. Looks like no damage. Let me see if I can roll it. Barely. Sheesh. Okay. Think I'm getting the hang of it. Gotta keep some speed with this thing. Sheesh. Okay, it's slightly gyro assisted though, y'all. I think my batteries in my remote and my transmitter are dying. Whoa. I really wish I was able to fly this thing with a jumper. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try to fly it in the 3D mode. Let's see, I'm gonna bring it back here. Whoa! Jeez, this mode here is enough for me here. Slightly assisted mode. Okay. I'm in full 3D mode now, y'all. Not sure if I could do a roll. Try to bring it this way. Sheesh, I'm going high too, y'all. Diving with it. Let me see if I can roll. Sheesh. Yeah, it's a little hard for me in this mode, y'all. I'm getting it though, I guess. Hard for me to follow it sometimes. Let me see if I can get a roll. I don't think I can get a roll, y'all. Oh, that's the best I can do with a roll. I'm gonna try to give it full power and give it a roll. Let's see. Okay, I got a roll off, y'all. You okay, Dreesy?
Yeah. It's just taking long to bind.
Trying to get used to it with this transmitter, y'all. Try to see if I can do some smooth flying with it in 3D mode. Oh! I banged out, y'all. What happened?
It crashed and now it won't.
Let me see.
It won't bind.
Oh, you got to turn the controller off and turn it back on.
Oh.
Yeah, this remote is making funny noises every once in a while, so I'm guessing that the batteries in this remote are dying I'm gonna put this thing back in novice mode because supposedly you can hit this button over here and do some flips on demand. So I'm gonna try to do that. Bring it around this way, and we're gonna try to do a flip or whatever. Oh! It takes a while to do it, y'all, so I was stuck not being able to control this thing, and it did a roll and it was going right for the trees. Sheesh. You okay?
Yeah.
We were flying that little 2-channel in the parking lot, and we lost the nose on it, and so I taped up the nose. I had to put tape on it because I put some weight in the front of the nose of that 2-channel that he's flying there, because it was going up in the air all the time. So this thing takes some getting used to. Flying on 1S, I'm not sure if the battery's dead or not, dying. Let me try to do a roll again. When I get back around this way in the open. Okay, let's try a roll. Oh! It takes so long to execute the roll, y'all. Let's try it again. Okay, there it is. So I like it. Pretty decent beginner plane here. This is a beginner plane. I was told that these bush planes are among the easiest to fly, to learn how to fly with. I gotta come out of this mode though. That beginner mode doesn't give me any turn. It's hard for me to turn. It died? Okay, I got another battery. Let me try to bring this thing around.
Can I try that new one?
This one is a little more advanced, DGs. This one here, I'm scared you might fly it in the tree because it's challenging for me to fly this thing.
As long as it can turn faster than this red one, because it barely turns, then I'm gonna be okay with it.
Yeah, I don't know, because this one can flip over, Juicy.
It can?
Yes, this one can flip over. You want to see it?
Yeah.
I'll try to flip over. Let me see. I'm not that good yet. Let me try. You saw?
Yeah.
Oh! I turned the wrong way. My orientation was mixed up. I kind of got confused on which way I should turn it, and I was banking over to the right, and I banked it more to the right instead of going to the left. So I think this battery is probably done too. It's not really struggling to stay in the air. Let me try again. Oh, one of my struts on the wing is hanging off. Let me bring this thing back in.
Land it.
Wait, let me.
You're a terrible lander. That's a crash one.
Yeah, I really didn't want the little thing to pop off that's supposed to hold the wing to the side of the plane. Grab it for me.
Yeah.
Not by the rudder. Let's
Is
see if
the
I can get
battery
this.
in your... Oh, wait, no, this is the wrong thing. Where's the battery?
Hold on, I'll get it. I don't want you to lose anything.
I got it.
You got one? Okay. What's that? The dead battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't put that in the same pocket. I got a system here. I put the dead batteries in a separate pocket. Gotta learn the system, son. So this thing is still flying, still staying in the air. Yeah, that's what I mean. I can't really, I'm getting my orientation mixed up. I don't know why. With drones, I'm good with that kind of stuff. But with this plane, as soon as it faces me, I get confused a little. Find myself banking to the side that it's leaning. Let's try again. Oh, I popped a piece off it. Let me see. The hood came off of this guy. The nose of this plane has a hood on it, y'all. And the hood pops off. I almost glued it down, but I realized this hood is supposed to be like that for access to the motor there. I can probably swap out a brushless motor or something for a different motor. Let me snap that on there. My son is flying this little 2-channel. Oh, you don't want to cut throttle when you're turning like that. You almost went in the tree, son. Well, yeah, when you're turning, you got to keep throttle up with that thing. With this too, probably. Yeah, it's getting a little weak. My verdict on this thing is that it's awesome. I like it. Love the way it's flying and all. Not too hard. In the beginner mode, I just wish that the beginner mode had harder turns on it. It makes pretty wide turns, so you can't fly the gyro assisted beginner mode in a small space. You have to come out to a large area like this. My son's flying this. Oh. He's flying this 2-channel here. Went down. And he's loving that 2-channel there. I think I might upgrade him to a 3-channel. Maybe that 3-channel that I flew in the last video. But this one right here, my assessment is that it's awesome. Really like the way this thing flies. I think it's pretty durable. I crashed it a few times on the concrete. Busted the busted the props up a little, you know, scraped the prop up a little bit. I even damaged the nose a little over there, but it's easy to glue these things as long as you find the piece that is stressed or whatnot. You can pretty much catch it early. I had a little crack right there in the foam. I glued it with some rubberizing glue or whatever and it seems to have patched it up pretty good. And so, pretty awesome little flyer for beginners. The QD 560, I believe this is called. And this thing was pretty cheap, y'all. It was about $70 on Temu. Thanks for watching.